Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to check recent activity on Android phone. So let's get started. So if you want to check your recent activities on your Android phone, then what you can do is just simply open up your settings application. After opening up your settings application, now in search bar you can search for data and privacy. After searching for data and privacy, now you can just tap on this option, and after tapping on this option, now what you can do is just select the account that you would like to watch the recent activities from. So I'll select this account, and after selecting an account, what you can do is just scroll down, and after scrolling down here you will find this option which is my activity. So just tap on this option, and after tapping on that option it will take you to this page where you can find your activities. So the first option is web and app activities. So the second one is history, and the third one is YouTube history. So just scroll down, and here you can find your today's activity and the following. So that's it guys, this is how to check recent activities on Android phone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.